done the interview.
Butterscotch, you're going to need to be quiet. Alright, Mazden, how does religion impact teens? And basically just try and restate the question as much as you can. And don't worry about what you're saying or how you look in the camera because, I mean, I'm basically going to just use the audio and just some of the videos, so.
Yeah, that's fine.
And I'm not going to use all the audio anyways, so.
Okay.
And you don't even have to answer the question if you don't want to.
I can answer the question.
Answer it.
Okay. How does religion impact teens? I think that it's mainly because when you're a teenager, like, just, you know, emotionally and hormones and all that fun stuff, you're just, like, really messed up and kind of crazy. And so religion is kind of like a good, like, I don't really want to say security point for teens, but it's something that, you know, that if they kind of have a relationship with it, that it's really something that, you know, can help them get through being, you know, crazy and messed up, like I said before.
Cool. I'm going to zoom in a little bit real quick. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay. That's better. Okay. How does the religion that teens are affect the choices they make?
I think basically the religion that they are kind of affects the choices they make because, well, each religion kind of has like a set of like goodnesses that they have. Morals. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. And so a lot of teens kind of are impacted by that because I don't know like a lot about religion, but I know that with a lot of things, like the ones I do know about, like Christianity and Judaism and Islam and Hindu and Buddhism and all that, it's basically just like be a good person. And so I think a lot of times, and this isn't true for like all times, but like if you're really in touch with it, then you will kind of use that to like model your decisions after. So I don't want to say you make better decisions, but you make like more decisions in accordance with that.
Cool. Yeah. Is there pressure on a teen to join a religion from like their parents and stuff, and how?
I think that it really depends on like what type of parents you have, because like a lot of people that I know, their parents are like really pressuring them, like, well, not a lot, but there are just some people that I know who do, and I don't think it's any specific group personally, but then a lot of people, their parents are just like, oh, just do whatever you want, and like, actually most parents I think are in the middle. Like they would like their children to, you know, have the same sort of beliefs or have some sort of belief they do, but they don't really want to force them into it, like, so they can make their own decision.
Alright, what are the differences and similarities between religions that teens practice?
In the ones that I've noticed, especially like the ones that people I think are most familiar with would be like Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. Especially since Judaism and Islam, like in the past century, become like much more noticeable. It's just like, mainly, it's just, you know, acknowledging that there is like a God and that you should be like a good person, you know, and respect to that, and, you know, just try to do your best.
Okay, can you see any defined difference between teenagers that you know that are from different religions?
A lot of times, the teens that I know that are Christians are normally like a lot more open about their religion in school. I don't really know why, but that's just kind of what I've noticed. Like,
okay, just stop.
Yeah.
Hey, Butterscotch, shut it! Butterscotch, what are you talking? What?
There's something in the bushes.
Really?
Probably like a bunny or something.
Bo, girl.